Hi, welcome to Corsa Tutorials. This section we are explaining about changing the air filter. In normal usage, the filter change happens annually. Before starting the work, make sure that power supply is disconnected. The filter is located on the opposite end of menu display. Use an appropriate screwdriver to remove the screws. Once all 4 screws are removed, the outer cap can be taken out. Hold the Corsa unit with one hand and remove the filter block. Even inside a closed air-conditioned room, there are chances of dirt particles in the air and trapped in the filter. Even though the old filter looks clean, it is mandatory to replace it. The filter block is completely biodegradable and needs to be considered as bio-waste. The new filter is placed inside the unit, considering the screw hole positions. Cover the filter using the plastic end cap and tighten all 4 screws. Once the filter is replaced, power on the device. Press and hold the menu button for 3 to 5 seconds until the continuous beep is stopped. Once the device is reset, 3 intermediate beeps can be heard. The display will go back to normal information status. Thank you for watching.